Today, let's talk about redeeming Hilton Honors Points. Hilton Honors Points are reward points provided by the Hilton Hotel Group for their loyal customers. Members accumulate points by staying at Hilton hotels using partner services such as airlines, car rental companies, etc., and through Hilton credit card spending. Accumulated points can be used for various purposes, enhancing travel and quality of life. Although Hilton points have multiple uses, it is important to note that Hilton points expire after 24 months of inactivity. Therefore, you need to continually earn or redeem points to avoid this situation. There are many ways to redeem Hilton points, and hotel stays are usually the most valuable redemption option. Hilton Honors Points can be redeemed at over 7,200 hotels and resorts within the Hilton portfolio. This is the most common and often the most valuable use of points. To search for reward availability, log into your Hilton Honors account on the Hilton website or app. Then select the Use Points box in the search tool. Hilton allows booking various room types with points, including suites. At some luxury hotels, the number of points required for a standard room reward night ranges from 5,000 to over 300,000 points. Higher points may be required during peak travel seasons. It's worth mentioning that Hilton Honors offers members a fifth night free on reward stays, which effectively provides a 20% discount for a 5-night consecutive stay. Another way to save points is by using the points and money rewards option, which requires fewer points and a copay in cash. Redemptions start at 5,000 points and increase in increments of 1,000 points. To access the points and money option, go to Checkout, where you will find a slider on the payment page. Adjust the slider to the number of points you wish to redeem. Hilton Honors experiences allow members to redeem points for concerts, sporting events, dining, hotel activities, and more. Some redemptions have fixed rates, for example, 25,000 points for a 60-minute massage at Hilton Hua Resort, while other events require you to bid points. If you are planning an event or meeting and want to save money, Hilton allows you to redeem points for event vouchers. Each voucher is worth 2 cents per point, which is not the best use of points. It is also inconvenient because you need to call Hilton to redeem points rather than doing it online. Hilton Points for Amazon Shopping. If you want to use Hilton Points for Amazon Shopping, you can redeem them at a rate of 500 points per $1 spent. This equates to $0.002 per point, which is not the best use of Hilton points. However, if you need to save money and have no other use for the points, it is an option: Hilton Points for car rentals. If your hotel stays are covered by other rewards, you can use Hilton Points for car rentals. This redemption method does not provide great value for your Hilton points, approximately $0.002 per point. But if you have an excess of points and insufficient future hotel stay plans, it is an option. The best way to use Hilton Honors Points depends on your travel preferences and goals. However, if you are flexible and want to maximize the value of your Hilton points, there are many options to consider. Hilton no longer publishes award charts. Instead, it has introduced the Points Explorer tool, allowing you to filter results based on the number of points you actually have. Once you find a booking and want to know if you can use points, you can use the NerdWallet Hilton Points Calculator to compare whether paying with cash or points provides a better deal. If you have more ways to use Hilton points, feel free to join our discussion channel to share your experiences and discoveries, and explore the endless possibilities of points together.